EngageBay offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs and budgets. Here's a breakdown of their plans and some tips to choose the right one for you. You can use the link in the description to try EngageBay for free. The free plan is forever free and suitable for solopreneurs just starting out. It includes limited features like contact management, email marketing, social suite management, and basic automation. The basic plan starts at $13.79 per user per month if billed annually. It offers all the features of the free plan with increased limits and additional functionalities like landing pages, lead scoring, appointment scheduling, and basic marketing automation. They also offer individual plans under Basic for CRM, SalesBay, and MarketingBay at a slightly lower cost. The growth plan starts at $59.79 per user per month if billed annually. It includes everything in the basic plan, with even higher limits and more advanced features like website tracking, webinar hosting, email sequences, and advanced marketing automation. The Pro plan starts at $110.39 per user per month if billed annually. It's ideal for teams that need the most advanced features, including proposal management, multi-currency support, custom reporting, and advanced automation capabilities. If you're a solopreneur, the free plan might be enough to get you started. But as your business grows, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan for more features and higher limits. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try EngageBay for free.